Hello students, let us continue chapter 1, knowing our numbers. In the previous classes, we discussed all the topics required for solving exercise 1.1. Let us now begin exercise 1.1, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A, 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Now in this question we are asked to what should we multiply 10,000 in order to get the answer equal to 1 lakh. Now you know that we can write 1000 as 10 hundreds, right? 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. We already know this because when you multiply 10 to 100 you get the answer equal to 1000. In the similar manner, we need to find out what is 1 lakh equal to in terms of 10,000. So here, how will we write 1 lakh? 1 followed by 5 zeros. As you can see here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So this is how we write 1 lakh. It has 5 zeros. And we know that 10,000 has 4 zeros. So dash into 10,000 we get 1 lakh. So this is 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is 10,000 and here we have 1 lakh. So as you can see, keep cancelling the number of zeros. Zeros here, 1 is cancelled. The other 0 is cancelled, the third 0 is cancelled and the fourth 0 is cancelled. So what we are left with is 10, 1 and a 0. So when we multiply 10 to 10,000, we get 1 lakh. We can say 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Next, 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. So we need to find out to what should we multiply 100,000 in order to get the answer equal to 1 million. So here, how will we write 1 million? While writing 1 million, the place value of 1 should be 1 million, right? The number 1, it will be in the million place. So here you can write it like this. You know that ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then comes 1 million. You know this is according to International System of Numeration since it is 1 million. So here this is 1 million. This is how we write it, 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now how will you write 100,000? As you can see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So the place value of 1 should be 100,000. So this will be equal to dash multiplied by 100,000. Now just like we did for part A, cancel the zeros. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and here we have 6 zeros. So it is very simple that only 1 zero will be left. So 0 से तो multiply नहीं करेंगे, the answer will be equal to 0. So we will multiply it with 10. 1 followed by a 0. Now when you multiply these two, you will get 1 followed by 6 zeros, which we read as 1 million according to International System of Numeration. So what will you write in the blank space? Here we will have 10. Similarly, in the first blanks also the answer was 10. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000 and here we got 1 million is equal to 100,000. Next we have 1 crore. It is equal to dash 10 lakh. So firstly we will write 1 crore. So let us write it the similar way we wrote 1 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Here we don't have 100,000 because 1 crore किस में आता है? Indian System of Numeration में. So after ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, we will have 1 lakh. Then we will have 10 lakh and after that we will have 1 crore. So here we will have 1 followed by 7 zeros which equals to 1 crore. Next we need to write 10 lakh. So here it will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 1 followed by 6 zeros. Again यहाँ पे 7 zeros है, यहाँ पे 6 zeros है. तो very simple, we will multiply this with 10. So 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. That is, in 1 crore, how many 10 lakhs will we get? We will get 10 lakhs. Next, we are asked 1 crore is equal to dash million. So we know that in 1 crore we have 7 zeros. So 1 followed by 7 zeros will be written. This is equal to dash multiplied by 1 million. And we know that in 1 million we have 6 zeros. We know that 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So just like 10 lakh, यहाँ पे this will have 6 zeros. 1 followed by 6 zeros. That is how you will write 1 million. So here again 6 zeros and here 7 zeros. So 10 is missing. क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया आप लोगों को 10 लाख और 1 मिलियन इक्वल होता है. 1 करोड़ अगर 10 लाख है देन 1 करोड़ विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू 10 million. And lastly we are asked 1 million is equal to dash lakh, which we already saw. 1 million it is equal to 10 lakh. Now how will we say this? 1 million is equal to 1 followed by 6 zeros, like so. In this way we will write 1 million. And how will we write 1 lakh? 1 followed by 5 zeros. We saw it earlier. So here as you can see, यहाँ पे 5 zeros है और यहाँ पे 6 zeros है. So we will have to multiply it with 10. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. 1 million is equal to 100,000. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So these are the solution to the questions of question number 1. Question number 2. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Firstly, 73,75,307. So here we need to place commas correctly and we need to write the numerals. Here we are given in the name form. This is the name of a numeral. So we will have to write it in the form of numerals and then we will place commas. So let us see the solution. So let us consider the first 3 parts of question number 2. Firstly, we are given 73,75,307. So here I have made the placement boxes. This is just a rough work so that you all will understand how should we solve this question. So for practice, start with 73 lakh. So we will have 10 lakh and lakh because 70 that will come under 10 lakh and 3 will come under lakh. 73 lakh है तो we will write it like this, 7 and 3. Then we have 75,000. Since again 70 है तो वो 10,000 के अंडर 7 आएगा and 5,000 है तो अंडर 1,000 we will have 5. So 75,000 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 7 in 10,000 place and 5 will come in 1,000 place. Next 307. Now this part is easy, right? 307 है तो 100 के अंदर we will have 3. Since there is no number before 7, like 387 होता तो 10th place में हम 8 लिखते. Since there is no number as such, then we will put 0 in 10th place and 7 will come in 1's place. So in this way we will write it in the number form, 73,75,307. Now we need to put commas. So this is the number. For the A part we have 73,75,307. And since we have lakh, 10 lakh, this is according to Indian system of numeration. So after 100's place, going in this direction after 100's place we will have a comma, and then the comma will come under after 10,000 place, and that is after 2 digits. Then after 2 digits, since there is no number, this is how we will put commas to this number. So this is 73,75,307. In the next part, for the B part, this was for the A part. For the B part we are given 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Now if we begin from this side, we have 41, so that will come under tens and ones. Next we have 9 crore. So 9 will come under crore place, and then we have 5 lakh. 5 lakh है, so 5 जो है वो lakh place में आएगा, और जो भी places बाकी है we will put zeros in them. So here 10 lakh is missing, 10,000 is missing, 1,000 is missing, and 100 is missing. So that is why we will put zeros in these places. So here we have 9050041. So again putting the commas, 3 digits के बाद comma, 2 digits के बाद comma, and then 2 digits के बाद comma. इस तरह से you will have 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Next we have 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So here once again under crore place we will have 7. 7 crore है तो 7 की place value crore है. Then 52 lakh, सिर्फ 2 lakh होता तो 2 would have come under lakh place. Since we have 52 lakh, then we have a place value of 10 lakh for the number 5. Next we have 21,000. So that is simple. 21, 10,000 के under 2 आएगा, and the place value of 1 is 1,000. 302 is simple. We will have 3, 0 and 2 over here. 302. So this is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now comes the part of putting commas. So for here 75221,302. Just like the B part, we need to put commas. 3 digits के बाद comma, comma again after 2 digits, and again after 2 digits. So here we have 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. In the similar manner, in question number 2, you have part D and part E. So that should be solved in the similar manner using placement boxes. This can be shown in the rough, and these 2 parts need to be solved by yourself on your own, and write the proper solution in your notebook. Question number 3. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So in this question we need to insert commas, and the names of each of these numbers, it should be written according to Indian system of numeration. Here we need to insert commas, so we will have to write the number with commas, and then we will have to write the number names, and this should be done according to Indian system of numeration. So let us begin. This is the number given to us, 87595762. This is the number. According to Indian system of numeration, we will have comma after 3 digits, then there will be a gap of 2 digits. So this is very simple. This is how we will write the number with commas. Next comes the number name. So place value देख लेंगे. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So we have 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So that is the number name. Once again, 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. That is the number name of this number. So in this way you will write the number name, 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. This is the number given to us in the next part. Firstly, let us write the number with commas. In this way, it will be easier to write the number name. So we have 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. 3 numbers के gap में पहला comma आएगा. Then the comma will come after 2 digits. So here, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The place value of 8 is 10 lakh. So this is 85 lakh 46,283. That is the number name. So the name of this number is 85 lakh 46,283. So the name of this number is 85,46,283. In this way you need to write the solution in your notebook. In question number 3 इसी type के आपको 2 more sub questions है C and D which are similar. In this way you need to solve them, write the number with commas, and then you need to write the number name. So part C and part D, it is homework for you. Write their solution in this manner in your notebook on your own. Question number 4. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. So that is the only difference between question number 3 and question number 4. Here we had Indian system and here we will have International System of Numeration. और International System के according हमें number names देने हैं इन numbers को. So firstly we will insert commas in each of these numbers so that we can easily name them. Here we need to insert commas and write the number names according to International System of Numeration. So firstly let us write the number with commas. 78921092. This is the number that is given to us. We need to insert commas in this number. Remember, according to International System of Numeration, we need to insert the commas and then write the number name. For that, remember, we need to put 3 comma after 3 digits and again after 3 digits according to International System of Numeration. In this way we will put commas in International System of Numeration. 3 digits के बाद ones, tens, hundreds place के बाद एक comma इस direction में, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 के बाद comma, and this will be million and 10 million. So the place value of 7 is 10 million. So this together will become 78,921,092. This is the number name. 78,921,092. So in this way you need to write the solution in your notebook. In the next part, this is the number given to us. Let us write the number with commas. According to International System of Numeration, the first comma will come after 3 digits and the next comma will also come after 3 digits. So here ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So here the place value of 7 is million. So beginning with 7,452,283. This is the number name of this number. So here this is how you need to write the number name. 7,452,283. In the next part, the number given to us is this, and we need to write the number with commas and the number name just like the previous 2 parts according to International System of Numeration. So here let us write the number with commas. So here comma after 3 digits, always remember we are going in this direction, and again after 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million again. So here the place value of this 9 is 10 million. So together we read this 99,985,102. So this is the number name of this number according to International System of Numeration. So in this way you need to write the solution in your notebook. 99,985,102. So after completing the first 3 parts, we are left with one more part, part D, and here the number given to us is 480,498,31. You need to write the number with commas. So like this you will have a number with commas, and as you can see here the number name can be easily figured out. This is 48,049,831. So You need to write the number with commas and number name properly on your own and write the proper solution in your notebook.